today we'll be doing a DIY charcoal blackhead removal face mask.
Neither of us have acne issues, as you can see, but you know, the occasional whiteheads here and there, and we see a lot of people try it, so, and they say it works, so we decided to try it and see
if it really does work and how bad our skin really is.
Yeah. And if it does work, we'll continue to use it. Well, me, I don't know about you.
Maybe. Who knows?
Let's get right into it. Guys, don't let it go in your hair.
Why? Why do you feel like today we should add that to the hair? I feel like this not even. So it's not gonna bother me.
Yeah, but they feel like man not even too. We're finished.
I don't think I should be talking this much.
And we're gonna wait until it completely dries, which is about
an hour.
I think that's a lot.
It is so thick. Stop long before you crack it up. I think it must be this thick, like where cover over here, so you can.
How much minutes gone?
It's 3:27.
So about
almost an hour.
Yeah, like 40-50 minutes.
I'm ready. I'm so over this. At first it was burning
and itching. I just I couldn't wait till it dry. I start to get off now. My people say it hot, so let's see.
I feel it already. Palms are eerie. Actually this up. We can't manage this. Look.
It's still wet.
So am I not ready?
I feel it on day now. Feel it back.
Next hour.
Put all of my earrings. You can use it for walks.
I think what's up, me and
Guys, we're going to do Vlogmas. What do you think? Should we do it or not? We need, like, we have video ideas, but we want to know what you guys actually want to see.
Message us anywhere. Instagram or new Facebook page. Look us up.
Or if you have my number or her number, feel free. Anything you want to see, just tell me. Or if you didn't tell me already, like last year, I honestly would do it.
Remind
us, because we'll probably forget. Say, this better work, you know?
I don't know what would I do if it don't work. I would be so upset.
If it don't work, it's fine. It just needs some skin clearance. I don't know what I thought.
Right here is a hot.
Woo! Yeah, my sideburn. I try to tough it up. My neck just rip it off at once.
You breathe.
Jesus, I'm gonna start that side here. I'm getting so
Your line hurts so bad. Oh, my ear's stuck in it.
my skin feels the same way. There's nothing on it except my ear then. Nothing on it. But I see nothing. Let me look.
Right here, there's one. Go Ashley with a perfect skin.
It didn't work, guys. It didn't work for us. We did.
Yes, we did fail. There's
Little bit there.
nothing. Just wait. See some over here.
That's a little bit right as well. Yeah, man, it didn't want
Little bit. Yeah. Look at my baby hair.
If you want wax, just use this and it to cut it.
Got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel.
Well, we can't say it was a complete fail. There's a little on it. Just a little. For mine. I don't know.
I'm not saying nothing. Big up to all the people that who never do things, baby.
My skin actually feels, I don't know.
Man, I feel no different. It just have bun me.
Yeah, it still feel tingly and
Probably be try it again. If we try it again, I'll show you some on Snapchat. So follow me on Snapchat.
yeah, you really should follow us on Snapchat.
And Instagram and Facebook.